LitHawk Circuit is an amazing way to play with the whole family. All of our layouts deliver high-action excitement with powerful race cars, trucks, or even police chase vehicles. A great indoor activity that pits driver against driver in an epic race around one of our many challenging track layouts. New for this year are Shootout Speedway, Racing Legends, and Monza. Shootout Speedway features a brand new set of stock cars and a high-speed tri-oval track setup. This is a high-stakes, high-reward race featuring hazardous crossover sections. Racing Legends harkens back to the glory days of racing with two brand new slot cars inspired by 1960s-era prototype cars. Monza is a high-speed duel between flashy LMP-styled slot cars. These high-tech prototype-styled cars are perfect for this demanding track layout. Circuit slot cars are a game of skill. Go too fast and you'll crash. Go too slow and you will certainly lose the race.